Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make an egg roll bowl. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us again. If this is your first time though, do me a favor, go down to the corner there, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that little notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, like I said, we're going to be making a egg roll bowl. Say that 5 times fast, egg roll bowl. Or as I like to call it, a deconstructed egg roll. Let's head into our kitchen and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to have 1 pound of ground pork, about a 14-ounce bag of shredded cabbage, coleslaw mix, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic, a couple sprigs of cilantro, and I got some other secrets that I'm going to show you when we go to plate it up. Let's head in here and start cooking up our pork. Alright, I've got our pork in the pan. And I'm just going to break it up a little bit. Make sure if you get it frozen that it's defrosted before you start cooking it. I'm just going to put the lid on this and let it cook. Alright, the pork is pretty well cooked. Got most of the pink out of there. You want to leave some of that fat in there if there is any. This is pretty lean, so there's not a lot of fat. Now I've got, as you can see here, I've got cilantro, I've got the ginger and the garlic. I'm just going to throw those right in there. At the same time, adding our soy sauce to bloom those flavors as well. About a 1/4 cup there. And we'll stir this in. Oh, that's some tremendous aroma coming off of there. Cover it up again, let it keep cooking. Alright, now that those, oh, that smells fantastic. Now, it's basically, I do it with my knife. Just going to add the coleslaw mix in there, all of it. This will break down and reduce a lot. Just throw it in on the top. Put the lid back on and let that just steam down and cook into the pork. Alright, I'm pretty sure that cabbage is broke down now. Let's stir that up. Yeah, that looks real good. I'm gonna put it finishing touches on it here with our sesame oil. Oh yeah, that sesame oil really did it. The aroma coming off of here, fragrance is just beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. Take some gorgeous photos of it for social media. We're going to put those photos down in the timeline with some really groovy music. And then we are going to come back and we are going to give this a taste. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy that music. There you go, one last look. I added the fried wontons on top. I just cut them into really thin strips and then fried them in the oil. A little sriracha on top and some green onions. Let's give it a try. It's hot. Very hot. Oh, the first thing hit me is that sesame oil. A little bit of crunch from that wonton strip I got in there. Flavor's incredible. I can taste the ginger, the garlic, the soy sauce, but that sesame oil really makes it taste like an egg roll. Oh my God. There's a lot going on in there. The bottom of that bowl is getting real hot. Deconstructed egg roll bowl. See, it's real hard to say. Whatever you want to call it, do this recipe. It is incredible. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to check the description box down there for all my groovy links. Take care of yourselves. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below to tell us what you think. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.